Hello, welcome to our channel Concept Civil. In this video, we are going to learn how to do an Excel program to calculate strength of the bolt in case of a lap joint. Here we are using this example problem. So first of all, grade of steel 410 megapascals. Now grade of bolts 400 MPa. Partial safety factor of bolt 1.25. Diameter of the bolt given in the problem 20 mm. Here you can see the diameter is given as 20 mm. Thickness of the plate jointed is 12 mm as given in the question. Number of shear planes intercepting the shear plane. Since it is a lap joint, then Nn will be equal to 1, Ns will be equal to 0. Now we will calculate the plane shank area, that is equal to pi by 4 d square. We will write the formula for it in the Excel. Here I am directly using pi by 4 value as 0.785. We got area as 314 mm square. Then we will calculate net shear area, that is equal to 0.78 pi by 4 d square. Now the diameter of hole should be taken from the code book. Edge distance is calculated as 1.5 from the class. Assumed pitch distance as 50 mm. We will calculate KB value from the three given conditions from the IS 800-2007. We will write the required formulas for it. After calculating all these three values, we will compare all the four values and the minimum value is taken as the value of KB. So here we can see the minimum value is 0.5. Therefore value of KB is taken as 0.5. Now we will calculate nominal shear capacity and design shear capacity from the formulas given in the IS 800-2007. So we will change the formula according to our Excel and we will write the formula as per our cells entered, values entered. That is B6. We have the formula of nominal shear capacity as VNSB is equal to FUB by root 3 into Nn into An plus Ns into As. So we have all the data regarding the formula. So just we will insert the cell numbers and we will write the formula according to the Excel. Now after calculating nominal shear capacity, we will calculate design shear capacity. Design shear capacity is equal to nominal shear capacity by partial safety factor. We will enter the formula for it. We will obtain the nominal design shear capacity. After calculating the shear capacity, we will calculate bearing capacity. Formula for bearing capacity is 2.5 kb dt Fu. That is nominal bearing strength of the bolt. We will write the formula for it using Excel. After calculating nominal bearing strength, we will calculate design bearing strength, that is equal to nominal bearing strength by partial safety factor, that is 1.25. So we got our nominal shear capacity and design shear capacity and design bearing strength of the bolt. Strength of the bolt is taken as the minimum value of the shear and bearing capacity. Therefore the capacity of bolt can be written as will be equal to 45 kilonewtons, which is equal to design shear capacity. So this is how we will do the design of bolted connection in case of a lap joint. In the next tutorial we will learn how to design a bolt joint in the case of a butt joint. Just I am here writing the condition for displaying the strength of the bolt. The condition here states select minimum of the both values and display it. Therefore, we got strength of the bolt in lap joint as 45 kilonewtons. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be learning about how to calculate strength of bolt in case of a cover butt joint and double cover butt joint. Stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.